Hi guys, good evening guys. I'm sorry I just now come back my channel because I was being busy lately guys, and I have to upload another what you call that, another updates for the lady that I was helping with that back to my country. She was suffered with the cancer guys. She don't have no husband because but her husband lifted her, and she has 3 kids, and her mother of course can't able to work because taking care of her, you know. So I was helping because they're asking some help and seeking for help guys. Of course I will help. I'm willing to help if I could, you know, just little bit. I'm not a rich person, but if I can able to help, I will help a little bit, you know. So this makes them happy, even though for food only, especially the rice guys, because usually the culture of Philippines, rice is life. That's the main thing over there, especially you know, especially the people like people that walang-wala talaga guys. So I was talking about Gisa Calabroso guys. So tinutulungan namin siya kahit konti. Well, anyway, I was busy lately. I cannot upload some videos because back-to-back work, and then sobrang busy guys. Thank you for your subscribing guys. Thanks for your support. Please likes and subscribes to Tab Anna Vlog. I'm on bid already, and then I was thinking about that. Oh, I had to upload this video, you know, for my subscribers, because it's been 2 days now. I was been busy with my sister. I have a little bit project, making a little what you call that, dirty kitchen. We call that dirty kitchen. Tapos para magluluto kami ng fish or frying, something like that. Well, anyway, long story short, my sister and I, that's our project, a little project. Well, my husband don't want me to, because of course probably he don't have no trust me to, you know, to do it, because he never been saying me that doing something like that. Well, anyway, he was impressed when we get done. So, and he was like, wow, I couldn't believe that you all are able to do it. I was like, see, I told you this Filipina. It's like, right, okay. Well, anyway, guys, upload ko sa inyo ito. They're in a Visayan language. Ko na lang pahirapan, kaya sabi ko, update ko na lang sa inyo. Yung ano niya, cancer siya. I think sa buto. Cancer siya sa buto. Pinadalhan namin siya ng punting tulong para makabili siya ng rice, groceries, milk, you know, the important for them, kasi nasila sa like malayo guys sa town. Sana mamimit ko siya kung makauwi ako doon, mamimit ko sila guys. Maraming salamat po sa support ninyo, Tabs Anna Vlog, for your subscribes po guys, and hit the likes and notification guys. At sino yung gusto magpa-shout out, just type your name, and then isa-shout out ko kayo sa sa susunod na video ko. Maraming salamat po.
Update ta karon sa ang
The Little Mermaid.
igsuon nga si Gisa. Kung diin dunay naghatag niya o kaning mga grasya, no, nga mga pagkaon kay naloy pod sa iyang sitwasyon, no. Naghatag niini mao ang Anna Tabs Vlog. So karon among
Si
Pinky Rose Childers. Karon mo ni ang iyang gipadala, no. Kami ang iyang gisaligan aron kani pamaliton. So gi-video lang pod namo kay aron pod naami ipakita sa iya ang among gihatag diri sa gusto niya nga hatagan. So mo ni karon ang amo ang pamalit no usab doon na usab sa kas nga gihatag no kay basig doon na siya gusto pod nga paliton so nagkakuha na nagakumpul-kumpul man sa akong bulsa so ako lang ning karon kay basig nakulang na ni grabe isa duha sa naman ay na isura ko sa mong dalan mo ni na nagkabungkag-bungkag 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 oh tama gyud 15 ka po hapon nga ipagapin sa iyahang mga goods nga gipadala para kung naa siya paliton ihapon nga naa siya magamit so ako ni hatag sa iya so tara okay so
salamat ma'am sa imong tabang ma'am ako na kayo ni tabang sa mua bless kayo kinayo pa daw nga tabang ihapon salamat kayo sabayan inuuray mo balos
sige kanay kay amo lang ni siyang gi-video kay aron usab nga makita dito sa naghatag nga naagin abot siya isalig siya sa mua sa among nga kami mo mahatag mo palit mga ni karon abot ta dire napad itlog ko natapunan so okay kato lang so magpasalamat lang ta sa sponsor ani sa Anatabs Vlog o kay Pinky Rose Childers salamat